Hey guys, so I wanted to make this honest video because um yeah, you know. So honestly, your girl is over budgeting. Over it. Not in the fact that I am not going to be budgeting anymore, but like the restrictions for me is just like it's just I'm over it. Um in this week's check-in, you guys will see that I've overspent so much. Um it's not in the hundreds, but it's definitely more than I would have liked personally because um yeah, I don't want that. And then guys, as you know, I leave here in a couple months, and so I started looking at apartments at my next student location, and the apartment I want is over the budget the military has given me for, you know, in that area. And it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It's great, but it's not the, but it's over budget. And being debt free, I was like, oh, it's over budget. I can pay for it. It's over, the amount of money that the military has given me, but I can pay for it because I'm debt free. It's like this thing now where I'm just like, oh, because I have it, I need to spend it, and I don't. But it's just, I'm just like, yo, what do you really want out of life, And so I'm literally contemplating. I had to think about even my car. Like for my car, I was like, I want a Toyota Camry, honestly. I want a Toyota Camry, no older than 2017, no more than like 100,000 miles. No accident, no nothing, which is just normal overall for any car I'm getting. No accident, no theft, no bent frame, none of that. But like I was so focused on getting a Toyota Camry that I am neglecting a Toyota Corolla, which has the same, features, does the same thing. It has the same look. It's a little cheaper. It's within the budget that I want. And I'm really sitting here contemplating. I'm just like, yo, what is your ultimate end goal? Because you say that you want to buy a house. You say that you want to, not own one, debt and everything. And I already talked to you guys about, me thinking about getting a car that's overpriced. And I'm just like, what is your ultimate goal? Because you are making decisions and you are, deciding that you want to get all these things, but you're not acting like you actually do. You're trying to live above and out of your means, and it's not that I can't afford it, because honestly, God, with, as long as you have a little change or whatever, like you can afford anything. As long as you have the right, score, your credit score, you can do anything. But like, what is my goal? And so my goal is to, end up starting a business. My goal is to end up buying a house. My goal is to not owe anyone anything. I do not want to go back in that cycle. I even thought about payments, and I was just like, ugh, I don't want none no more. I don't want none no more. But like, it's just that, guys. I'm just like, yo, what do you really want? Because a lot of times, I feel like because I've paid off my debt, I should not be able to do what I want. And I'm just like, since you're not in that position yet, like you are in the building process of where you want to go, right? And so you can't take your current position now and, do whatever you want to do when you're trying to execute certain goals at the end. Like, honestly, I'm in the beginning building blocks of what I really want, what my goals are and everything. So it's like those kind of things. And then also, let me get on my credit card. This is just like a whole like raw, unedited, just like, 5, maybe 6, 7 minutes of me just talking to you guys about just things that I'm feeling right now. So for my weekly check-in that you guys are gonna see on Monday, like I've overspent and I just have guilt. Like I was watching Erica Life vlogs on her sinking fund she just posted, and like I definitely understand, you know, feeling guilty for spending my money, and I'm just like, bruh, I save so much, and you know, I'm a saver slash spender. My mom's a saver, my dad's a spender, you know, and like being in this current position where I have the money to spend, I'm already saving and doing what I needs to do. It's like I'm almost justifying, you know, doing it, and I'm not supposed to. It's not right, you know. And also with the holidays coming up, it's just like, and my friend coming here, and I'm gonna hang out with her if I want to. That's just, you know, straight no chaser for y'all, you know, let y'all know. But like the holidays and my friend, I'm just like, oh, I haven't seen her in a while. Let me go hang out. Like, let me just, you know, relax, breathe, you know, be social, because I will stay in my house real easy. But it's just things like that. Like I have some guilt and stuff about spending my money or doing stuff, and I'm just like, girl, currently the goals that you have, you are doing them. I've put a time constraint on myself. You guys know I put a time constraint on myself for my 10K challenge, which I want to end 1 March. But like I don't know, because I don't want to say like, you know, just keep pushing your thing ahead. Like that's not the goal. The goal is to complete the challenge, complete, you know, the goal that you actually set for yourself, complete the timeline. That is the goal. But like a month later is not really that bad. But I don't want to say like go and push after that. Like, no, that's not what we're trying to do, you know? So it's just things like that I've been thinking about, and I'm just like, bro, what do you really want? Now, I'm not trying to spend like hundreds of dollars like in 2 seconds. Like no, little baby gotta go. If you don't know, she trying to buy her car. She gotta move into a new apartment, so she gotta pay first month's rent bills. She gotta furnish her apartment. Like, ain't I got no time for that. But like I do, you know, need to stop being antisocial and just like enjoy part of I'm 25. Like, do little stuff, man. Enjoy parts of my life. So that's just what I've been thinking while sitting here, you know, really readjusting or reevaluating, like, what do I actually want? You know, what is the actual goal? Another thing too, this is about to be like a 10-minute video. Another thing too, is my credit cards. I realized I've been doing credit card living for about 2, maybe 3 months now. And what I've realized is like this week, I don't know if it's this week or what, but I've just been giving myself permission to swipe my credit card. And if y'all know, if you know, credit card debt, like we was there. I was $12,000 in credit card debt, like, and that is how it slowly happens. So I am thinking about for this month just doing cash only for everything. Here they do accept cash still, so I'm thinking about going cash everything, because like I don't want to get so comfortable with just swiping my card that I just swipe it anytime for anything. Like, I'm good, but I'm not that good, okay? I'm strong, but I ain't that strong. You gotta know your strengths and weaknesses, and this is one of my weaknesses. So, well, credit card spending is anyways. And then coming up to the holidays and stuff, ooh, child, ooh, chile, whoo, yeah, so I really, guys, am like contemplating, like, what is it that I really want? What am I trying to do? Like, yeah. But I've just been here listening to Anthony O'Neill and just thinking, man, and just like reevaluating, what is it do you want? What is it that I want to accomplish? And like, yeah, I just felt like having a real conversation with y'all, you know, break it up a little bit from the budgets and stuff, so y'all can like understand really where I'm coming from, what I'm going through, you know, my budget with credit card spending, the things I think about, you know, give y'all some perspective. So anyways, this is about to be a 10-minute video, so Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a comment down below. Let me know, what things you guys go through when you budget. Like, how are you affected? The things that, you think about. Leave it down in the comments below and let's have a conversation. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already done so. The goal is 200, which is super soon. And then I'm thinking about doing a giveaway for that. So, yeah, and yeah, make sure you share this with a family, a friend, and a foe. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Anique N.A.K. and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.